Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Learning. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to use environment variables in Node.js to secure sensitive data like API keys. It's super simple and I will guide you through it step by step in under a few minutes. So let's get started. First, we need a package called .env. This allows Node.js to read variables from a file. So open your terminal and type cd desktop because we want our folder on the desktop. Now make the folder by typing mkdir env project. We are taking the name of the file folder. It's to be env project. Now our project is created. So let's go inside this folder cd env project. Now we are inside this env project. Now let's install package.json npm init -y. This will initialize the package.json file for our project. Now we have to go inside this using the Visual Studio Code by typing the command code dot. Now inside this we see the package.json file here. Now we have to go here inside the terminal to install .env package. So type npm install .env and press enter. This installs the package that helps manage environment variables securely. Now let's create a .env file. In this, so here we store the sensitive data like port number. We are declaring here 3000 and just for example taking the API keys. For now just declare anything and save it. Now we have to create a index.js file. Now here all the important code will go and we import the environment variables in this index.js. So here let's import the environment variables in our index.js file. So type require, we need to type require because we are importing here environment variables to use in this application. So type .env.config and this will import all the environment variables. So now let's write, let's declare the port. So take the variable name port. Inside this we will take the environment variables from .env file. So for that reason we have to type process.env. It will take the env sensitive data. And what we need from env, we need port. So it should be the same name which is declared here. So type port and save it. Now we have to console it on the screen to see that server is running or not. So right here server is running at port. Inside the dollar we have to import this variable name. So here we take the value of this variable name from, it will take from .env. So let's run our project. Inside the terminal type node index.js and press enter. Now you see server is running at port 3000. Lastly, to keep your .env file private, make sure to add it to your .ignore file. So let's create .ignore git ignore file. Inside this we have to type .env and save it. This way it would not be shared on GitHub if you export your code to the GitHub. And that's it. Now you know how to use environment variables in Node.js to securely manage sensitive data. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Code with Learning for more quick coding tutorials. So in the next video, I will show you how to use nodemon to automatically start your server, making your development process faster, smoother. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.